To use the Uber app in Canada, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing your name, email address, and phone number. You will then be asked to create a password and add a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. After setting up your account, you can begin using the app to request rides. To do this, open the app and set your pickup location by typing in the address or selecting it from the map. You can then choose the type of ride you want, such as UberX, Uberpool, or Uber Black, depending on your needs and budget. Next, you will see an estimated fare and the estimated time of arrival for your driver. You can also see the driver's name, photo, and license plate number, as well as track the driver's location on the map. When your driver arrives, you will receive a notification, and you can then get in the car and start your ride. During the ride, you can use the app to track your route and see the estimated time of arrival at your destination. You can also use the app to contact your driver if you need to make any changes to your route or if you have any issues. After the ride is complete, you will be asked to rate your driver and provide feedback. This helps Uber to ensure that drivers are providing high-quality service and to make improvements to the app. You will also receive a receipt for your ride, which will include the fare and any additional charges, such as tolls or tips. To get the most out of the Uber app in Canada, it's a good idea to use the app's features, such as the fare estimate tool, to plan your rides in advance. You can also use the app to schedule rides for later, which can be helpful if you need to plan a ride to the airport or to a meeting. Additionally, be sure to check the app's promotions and discounts, which can help you to save money on your rides. Overall, using the Uber app in Canada is a convenient and affordable way to get around. And by following these steps, you can easily and safely use the app to request rides and get where you need to go.